Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 10, financial market. In this chapter we are going to discuss about concepts, natures of financial market, functions of financial market, classification of financial market into money market and capital market. What is money market? What is capital market? What is stock exchange? How it performs its activities? And these markets are regulated under the Securities Exchange Board of India, which performs the various functions. These we are going to discuss in this chapter. Let's understand what is financial market. Financial market acts as a link or an intermediary between two sectors. It enables savers to invest their surplus funds and enable the investor to borrow funds to meet their requirements. In doing so, it performs allocative function. Allocative function of financial market refers to linking the savers and investors by mobilizing funds between them. In simple terms, financial market is a market which provides opportunities to the two parties. One, households. Households means those who save funds, they are called savers. Next, business firms. They invest funds and are known as investors. So here we need to understand in this market provides opportunities to the savers to invest their funds, and it provides opportunities the business firms to borrow the funds to fulfill their requirements. So here you need to understand the financial market mobilize the funds between them. Means financial market transfers the funds from savers to the investors. And by transferring funds from savers to the investors into the most important investment proposals. By performing such activities, here we are keeping in mind, by doing this, it performs allocative function. Now in this, we are going to discuss about its functions. See the first, mobilizing of savings and channelizing them into the most productive uses. So here what we need to understand, the financial market transfer the funds from investors, funds from savers, those who want to save their money. It transfers the funds from savers to the investors into the most important, most profitable investment proposals. And by doing this, it provides opportunities to savers. Next. In financial market, financial securities are traded. Financial securities means, we are going to discuss later on these topics. What are the securities? Before that, you understand securities means equity shares, preference shares, bonds, debentures. Right? These are traded. So means here one party who wants to invest their funds, one party who wants to save their funds, and another party who want to borrow the funds, and they trade in financial instruments. They trade these activities on the basis of financial instruments. If company requires funds, they may select equity shares or they may select the debentures. They can issue the debentures in financial market. They can issue the equity shares in the financial market. And here savers, what they do, they invest. They buy these securities and they invest their funds and their investments. By doing this, they get some advantage. So here you need to understand these financial securities which are traded in financial market, the price of these are determined through the market forces which we call demand and supply. If the demand is high, supply low, automatically the price will increase. If the supply is low, demand is high, yes, so the price will rise. But if the supply is high, demand is low, automatically the price will decrease. This concept you have learned many times, the demand and supply. So on the basis of these demand and supply factors, in financial market, these securities, these are priced, these are determined. Next, financial market provides the platform where these financial assets, these financial securities can be converted into the cash whenever both the parties wants. If they want to pay debentures, they can investors, those who have borrowed the funds, if they want to pay the debenture, they can pay if they want, right? Similarly, if the investors want to sell them, they can sell. So means by providing such opportunity here, the financial market facilitates easy purchase and sell of financial assets, which we call provides liquidity of opportunity. The next one is reduce the cost of transaction. Financial market provides the informations to valuable informations to both the parties. Those who want to save their funds, those who want to borrow the funds. It provides the informations to them. Otherwise, in the absence of this such information, neither the borrowers can find easily to the savers, neither savers can find the easily to the borrowers. Here financial market provides the information to both the parties, where they can exchange their information, they can fulfill their individual requirements. And when these individual requirements can be fulfilled, look at this, here in the absence of this such information, both the parties will get blind. They may not able to find each other's easily, and they need to invest the money for searching such information. And such informations are provided by the financial market to both the parties, and doing this, it reduces the cost of transaction. Now in the further topics, we are going to discuss about the types of financial market. Means the financial market gets classified into the two categories. It means the financial market consists of two major segments, but it classified in two categories. These are money market and capital market. You see, recently what we discussed, we said the financial market, the market which makes link, which provides opportunity for the investment, which determines the price on the basis of demand and supply, which provides information to both the parties, which reduces the cost of transaction. And this, look at this, same financial market, they get classified into two categories. One is money market, another one is the capital market. Now the question comes, what is money market? Money market is a market. Here very simply you need to understand the market where short-term securities are traded. In simple ways you need to understand, money market is a market for short-term securities. Short-term securities means those securities which have life up to 1 year. Means whatever the instruments, whatever the securities are traded under money market, these are traded up to 1 year only. This market we call money market. And the capital market is a market, the market for long term, means more than 1 year. Money market is a market for short term securities which have life up to 1 year. Capital market is a market for those securities which have life more than 1 year. Let's discuss in detail. Here we discussed, we said money market is a market where short term securities are traded. means in this market, short-term securities means those securities which have life up to 1 year, these are traded. Due to this reason, we call money market refers to the market for short-term funds which deals in monetary assets whose period of maturity is up to 1 year only. This money market does not have any physical location. Money market provides opportunities to whom? Satisfies whom? Business organizations, so that they can fulfill their temporary requirements. In this market, we are going to discuss about the instruments of money market, means what instruments are traded. Similarly, we'll discuss in capital market too. So here we said the money market is a market where securities are traded which have life up to 1 year. And these securities are, the first one is the call money. Call money is the money which is available at the short notice by the lenders or the borrowers. Here little bit we need to understand in a detailed in-depth ways. Call money means the money is short-term finance which is repayable on demand, whose maturity period is different from 1 to 15 days or 1 to 365 days. That we'll discuss topic wise in further. Next we are going to discuss commercial bill. You have heard, you have learned so many times these commercial bills regarding bills of exchange, promissory notes, you discuss. We are going to discuss about these instruments. These are also traded. So we are going to discuss about these instruments under commercial bill, which you have said trade bills. Next we are going to discuss about certificate of deposit. That generally, you know, whenever the funds are deposited for the fixed period of time, a particular banks or financial institution issues a such kind of deposit that we call certificate of deposit. We are going to discuss in further. Commercial paper. This topic we have discussed before in class 11 too. Unsecured promissory note issued by a creditworthiness company, that we discuss about the commercial paper. Similarly, we are going to discuss about treasury bill, T-bill or zero coupon bond, T-bill. These we are going to discuss in the further videos. For today, you understood regarding the financial market which makes link between investors and borrowers, the market which provides satisfaction to both the parties, one borrowers, those who want to borrow the funds, and those who want to invest the funds, those who want to save their money. Financial market determines the price of the securities, price of the financial assets on the basis of the demand and supply. And these financial assets can be converted into the cash whenever required, which provides the liquidity opportunity. It provides investment informations, valuable informations to both the parties, and by providing such information, the financial market reduces the cost of transactions. So again and again you revise these topics so that you will get clear. For today, have a great day.